Hello guys, myself Ritesh Kumar. Right now I'm in the train and with one of my friend that I met him in this journey. What's your good name?
Aditya Tripathi.
Aditya Tripathi. So we are talking for around more than 5 hours. It's been really a great experience to talk to him because we really likewise. So you want to say something in the feedback and whatever the experience that you had for us.
It is always amazing to talk to people having big dreams, and even more amazing to hear what they have to say about those dreams, because what they have to say about those dreams is always something new and something personal. It always gives you a new viewpoint and a new way to think about life.
And if I'll ask you what the conversation that we had today, is there anything that changed in your personality or that added in your personality that it was not before?
Yes, I looked at it in the way that you try to look more into the present moment rather than weave big dreams. You want to do everything good or everything perfectly in this very moment. So you are able to take quick actions in the present moment. So I really like that.
The ability of taking risk.
Not just risk, the ability to act at the present moment. Not just keep thinking and then think that maybe if I meet this person later, or maybe if I do something again, I'll get another chance and then I'll do something. This is the mindset most people have.
Means they're procrastinating but they're not taking the action.
You heard this, you saw a old Coke ad. In an old Coke ad, it's the tagline was कल क्यों इसी वक्त इसी जगह अभी क्यों
Just do it right now.
Yeah, just that is also probably the tagline of Nike. Just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it.
So, as per my understanding also, that what I also believe is that taking action is more important than thinking about it. It will create a difference in the entire personality of a person. And what is the, if I'll ask you, what is the one memorable question or anything that you will it will be in your mind always, that the different thing that you experienced today?
Yeah. What I experienced today is when someone wants to become something, they really try to look everywhere for inspiration.
True.
Yeah. So when someone wants to become something, they don't judge. They don't judge anyone on the face of it.
There's no fear of being judged.
Yeah, there is no fear of being judged, and they don't judge others because they think that there is some value everywhere.
Yeah. Even Sadhguru also say that we should have the capability to see someone the way he or she is, not judging them by the way he is or she is.
Yeah.
You have to look them the way they are actually.
Yeah.
Any last thought that you want to wrap up?
Well, it's always this conversation was a classic chai time conversation, which got extended because of the long journey. But again, it's one of the best ways to travel. This is what I love about traveling.
And here,
India especially.
and there is no, we haven't felt the constraint of time.
Yeah,
It feels like quick, smooth
passage of time. The journey was like 8 hours overall.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it didn't really feel like that.
Thank you so much.